Would you believe me if I told you these melt-in-your-mouth kebabs were made without skewers and without charcoal? Just one pan, one quick mix, and look at this, so soft, so juicy, they practically fall apart on their own. Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to make restaurant-style kebabs right at home with no fuss and no smoke. Let's get started. I've taken 2 medium onions and transferred them into the chopper. Along with that, I'm adding 4 spicy green chilies, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and a handful of coriander or parsley leaves. For some sweetness and depth, add 1 capsicum. You can even use a red bell pepper for extra flavor. Chop all of this finely until it turns into a fragrant herb and vegetable mix. Now it's time for the main star, 500 grams of beef mince with about 20% fat. You can also make this recipe with chicken mince or mutton mince if you prefer. To season, add salt to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and 1/2 tablespoons of heaped ginger garlic paste. Chop until everything combines beautifully into a smooth, aromatic mixture. Once done, transfer it into a bowl, cover, and let it marinate. The longer you give it, the better it tastes. 30 minutes at least, but overnight if possible. I kept mine overnight, and the flavor turned out incredible. Next, grease a baking sheet or pan lightly. This step ensures the kebabs don't stick. Transfer the mince mixture onto the pan and press it evenly, shaping it into a square slab. Now with the back of a spatula or a sharp knife, mark it into kebab shapes. Just cut them through lightly so they bake in neat pieces. Brush the top with about a tablespoon of oil and place the pan in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. For that irresistible golden brown color, grill them for the last 2 minutes. While the kebabs are baking, let's prepare a quick, refreshing salad. Thinly slice 1 medium onion, add a handful of rocket leaves, and sprinkle in some coriander leaves. For that tangy flavor, add 1 teaspoon of sumac, or if you don't have sumac, just use vinegar or lemon juice. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Finally, drizzle in a splash of olive oil and toss everything together. And there you have it, a crunchy, zesty salad to pair with your juicy kebabs. Now the kebabs are ready. Just look at this, golden, aromatic, and unbelievably juicy. Brush the remaining oil and pan juices over the top to lock in even more flavor. And here's the best part. Soft, elastic, and tender, yet they hold their shape beautifully. The moment you take a bite, they melt in your mouth, bursting with flavor. Serve them with the crunchy onion salad, wrap them in flatbread, or enjoy them just as they are. They taste so good, you'll forget all about skewers and charcoal. Drizzle some fresh lemon juice on top, and you're ready to enjoy these sheet pan kebabs with your family and friends. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and happy cooking.